So guys, so bukas na po yung laro ng Gilas Pilipinas versus Australia, and I'm gonna give you 3 things today. Unang-una, may pag-asa ba tayo sa Australia? May pag-asa ba talaga? Dapat ba akong pumasa? Pag-usapan natin si Justin Brownlee. So kasi 4 points lang. Pangit at sabi, palitan na ba talaga si Justin Brownlee? Si Justin Brownlee ba ay bumaba na ang laro? At itong mga mga Australiano media talaga parang gusto yata mag-basketball brawl 2.0. At lastly pala si Coach Tim Cone. Sabihin ako, upo lang ako I'm here in Bohol, may boxing kasi dito. But syempre, support pa rin tayo sa Gilas Pilipinas. Wala nang intro-intro, pag-usapan na natin kagad kung ano mangyayari. Sana hindi kayo mahilo kagaya ko. Anyway, please subscribe, hit the notification bell sa hindi po nakakilala sa akin, Pausalud Pauka Sports. So let's talk about Gilas Pilipinas versus Australia. So let me give you a realistic point of view. Dihado tayo kahit sino naman ang i-field natin diyan, kahit nandiyan dyan si Kai Soto. So kumbaga, hope for the best, expect for the worst. Ang masasabi ko na lang talaga dito, pag nanalo ang Gilas sa Australia, para tayong nag-champion, makakalimutan natin lahat, pati yung pagkatalo sa New Zealand. Totoo naman yung kasabihan na bilog ang bola, but as an analyst or a commentator, we have to be honest na malabo tayong manalo, pero walang imposible kasi grabe sunod-sunod yung pagkapanalo ng Australia, no? Pero there's something here, and I want to talk about Coach Tim Cone. There's something that Coach Tim Cone did that not everyone expected, which is change his triangle and change a lot of things with the team. Although sabi ko nga kumbaga parang sabi ko, bakit ngayon pa against New Zealand? Ang hirap yan. But if you want to look at the game against New Zealand positively, we played good defense and 3 points lang. Even with a system na I said na a little bit broken plays, nagawa natin yun. If only we can shoot from the outside, if only our shot was sinking or pumapasok from the outside, I think we could have won. And yun nga sabi ko, against New Zealand and Australia, New Zealand ang pinaka best chance natin of winning, and I think I was right about that. So sayang opportunity, home court pa naman. But here we are in Australia. But I would like to commend Tim Cone for doing things. And yes, he should not be happy because we were defeated. Ganun din naman ako, no? But I shouldn't be hard on myself. And pasensya ka na, Tim Cone, dahil dito sa channel ko, marami talagang, tsaka sa comment section, sa social media, marami talagang mga hindi masasatisfied. So, late kung hindi mo pa napanood, na-interview ko namin ni Homer Sison, si Chot Reyes, dating coach ng Gilas Pilipinas, and he commended Coach Tim Cone. So mahirap talaga maging coach kasi pag panalo, players ang magaling, pag talo, coach ang palitan. But anyway, so that's the thing about kay Coach Tim Cone sa ginawa niya. So okay naman. Mahirap lang kayo pasahe, baka tumalpa kayo ng Pilipinas at your own risk. Regarding kay Justin Brownlee, napangat ng laro, bantay sarado lang talaga si Justin Brownlee doon. Talagang pinaganoan siya doon, pinagplanuhan siya. And kasi naman, ever since Justin Brownlee team tayo so what's impressive there is we were able to kind of lumaban, kapantay, mahabol, hindi man nanalo, pero at least kumbaga parang nagawa natin without Justin Brownlee. Sa tingin ko, hindi pa siya dapat palitan. It's just one game, so let's not judge one game. Everyone has a bad game, and this is a bad game for Justin Brownlee. I'm sure he's gonna adjust now that medyo nagagamay niya na kung ano man to sistema na ginagawa ni coach. I'm not that technical, but it looks different from the triangle that I know. So sa mga nagtatanong kung dapat palitan, wag muna. Let him play, let him prove himself. Just one game. Pag sabi ko nga, pag tuloy-tuloy na laro na hindi na maganda, diyan tayo mag-uusap, okay? And itong mga Australiano, nagpapa-hype din Halata nila na, alam mo kasi dito sa Pilipinas, pag ang nagbablog puti or foreigner at nagme-mention ng Pilipinas, it's either positive or negative, nare-rage bait ng mga Pilipino. Yan ang ginagawa nila ngayon, pang-promote ng laban. Mayroon pang isa, comment kayo dito. May nag-comment na isang player. Basa ko na pagpatalikod daw binabanatan. Nasa gitna ka ng court, brawl, natural. Free for all yan. Di ba? You have to defend yourself at all times. Di ka pala fighter, tumakbo ka dun sa gilid, dun sa malayo sa away. Pag nandiyan ka sa gitna at nakaabang ka dyan, you're gonna risk being attacked, whether you see it or not. So, anyway guys, I'll be home tomorrow for the Australian game. So, magkita-kita tayo and hopefully guys, maghimala. Yan ang kailangan talaga natin. Himala talaga yan guys. Mahirap talunin ng Australia. Yun ang katotohanan. But wear blue tomorrow and Gilas pa rin. Support tayo. Yeah, please pa-comment guys. Let me know what you think. I'm sorry I'm doing this like this. Iniinggit ko kayo dahil nakabakasyon ako. Actually hindi ako nakabakasyon guys. Trabaho to. Peace.